Hey friends, if you wish to always show the icons in the notification area of Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the taskbar, select taskbar settings, expand this window, click on taskbar behaviors, sorry, other system tray icons. Now it will show all the icons. Now here's the thing. You have to do it individually for each and every one of them. Let's say that OBS Studio is open, but it's not showing here. So I will simply turn it on for OBS Studio and it will show in the list. Similarly, I can do it for ShareX and it will show in the list. So I can individually add all the icons here and it won't update in the system tray. And I can also turn all of them so that I never have to worry about an icon appearing in the system tray or not. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.